Morning Istanbul. It's currently and we're about to go run over by city.
Ow!
One thing we don't think about the Istanbul roads is the fact that they are all so steep.
Yeah.
It feels like Marbella, but 10 times worse.
No, it's nothing like Marbella.
It is.
Just where we stayed in Marbella was on a hill. The rest of Marbella was flat.
Is it?
I think so. This is like
Yeah, this is all hills.
fucking Welsh castle.
Going up and down the hills, there's no other way. You have to go down the hill. And there's cats everywhere. Okay, James is always distracted by cats, honestly. Cats and dogs. Don't know if this is his way of telling me he wants to buy a cat or a dog, but I'm not interested. Huh? Yeah, what did they do in the basket?
That's a pretzel in a basket.
Huh?
Pretzel. Just putting pretzels in basket.
What? That's cool. Okay, so the basket is going up. That's cool. Where are you? Free Gaza.
Did you see the pretzel in the basket?
Huh?
Did you see the pretzel?
Yeah. That's cool. Oh yeah. Look at it. So steep. So
Just look at the screen. I'm on the screen.
our camera has some dust on the sensor.
Yeah.
And we don't have the necessary equipment to clean it ourselves. So today's challenge is to find
A man.
a man, preferably a professional,
Yeah.
to clean the sensor.
Fingers crossed.
But it's been ruining our pictures that we took so far on our travels.
Pretty
It's
much
quite
since
annoying.
prime and place.
Since prime and place. Yeah.
So I don't know.
And we're gonna go to a mosque.
And then we're going to all the mosques.
All of them.
The Blue Mosque.
Yeah?
Well, whichever one you don't have to pay for. So
You have to pay for all of them?
no, the blue one of them's free. Either the blue one or Hagia Sophia's free.
I just fear I won't be free.
Yeah, that's what Izzy said. So that's cool.
Yeah, so we're currently in Galata Port, no?
What?
Galata Port.
Yep.
Haha, we're becoming better at this.
What?
We're becoming better at coordinates. I mean, me.
You are.
No, you. You are already good. Although, your map... Retard.
What are you saying?
Your map has been a bit off.
Mine?
Yeah,
I've been
your
running around.
coordinates.
I've been 10k around Istanbul and not without getting lost.
Yeah, but like
I
when
ran,
you...
I ran up and down the high street.
Yeah, you can't get
Also,
lost on the house.
stick your maps a bit off up your arse.
What? Godox. There's a camera shot. No. Just right.
He doesn't clean.
Huh?
He doesn't clean the cameras.
Honey. Fusion film. Oh gosh. It's busy.
realise that that was an attachment.
Yeah.
So,
Good.
do we need the box?
Took the tram. It was a challenge to get these cards out first. We put 200 Turkish lira on it. Just £4. But we don't know where it takes us to. Like,
Yeah, where are we going?
I don't know. We just know we need to go on the other side, so
We're going this direction, that's it.
yeah. Fingers crossed. No, exactly where we're going. We made it to the Blue Mosque. I can't take this shirt off.
Did you fall over?
Almost did.
Put your shoes on it.
Wow. This is huge. Story shoes, only women allowed. Yeah. It feels good to have no shoes actually. So it's really cool. So it's free entry for the Blue Mosque, just so you know. You don't need to pay for this, which is really good. Look at the details on the ceiling. Really cool. Hello. We're in the Blue Mosque.
You've taken your shoes off. I've still got my shoes.
I've done that already.
Yeah, but that's the women only.
Yeah, so
The men put them there.
Where? Just one bed.
No, because women aren't allowed through.
Oh yeah, true. Ah.
Yeah.
This is all visitors.
Yeah. Stay behind the line. Only men allowed through.
What do you think about it?
I've seen more impressive places. Vatican. Way more of it. I think there's mosques. I haven't seen many mosques to be fair, so I don't know.
Yeah. But this looks impressive.
It's really impressive.
The details.
I just thought there would be more detail, more shiny stuff.
It's shiny.
Yeah.
It's not about being shiny.
No, no.
Things on the walls.
Yeah.
Like what?
I don't know, like images or paintings of things.
Oh no, they
I
don't
mean,
do
like,
paintings.
I mean, like it's just very mosaic.
That's yeah. They don't do paintings. It's
Yeah.
only Christianity that does paintings.
Yeah.
I
There's
think-
pigeons. There's some pigeons flying around for some reason. That's very impressive.
Yeah. It's a lot of people. Still pausing.
as we were leaving the mosque, this dog just appeared, so I got distracted whilst Adelina walked off. But before we went to Istanbul and shopping, we watched the Yorkshire Lad Abroad, and he went to a specific shop. So I found that shop because all of the stuff I wanted was in this shop. Everything you see here is the stuff I bought from the shop because of this bloke.
Oh, is this the shop that you meant to?
Yeah. That's too
Oh,
small.
that's good, that's good. Too small?
No,
Yeah,
it's too small.
too small. Oh, how'd you know? Ah, you seen by the name?
Yeah, I've searched for the name to find the shop.
Oh, I didn't realize when you said
Yeah,
this
yeah,
is the
this
shop.
is
I
the
thought
shop.
you meant this is the shop that you're gonna find something in.
No, this is the shop that he was in.
Oh, okay. How cool.
Yeah, I've been searching for it.
But he didn't say the name. He was just in the video.
It was in the background of the video.
He didn't actually say which shop was it. I mean, it's so difficult to find any shops here. What, is it M?
Huh?
Is it M?
Yeah. Do you have a large?
I don't know.
Like a kid in the toy store.
You want a grey?
No, red.
All
like this
jackets. Try this, Columbia.
colour. I'll try the shirt on anyways.
What was his name, darling?
He's on our search. If you go on our YouTube, you'll see.
Do you want to see yourself?
Yeah, I just think it's too short on the arms, isn't it?
Looks cool, but short.
Yeah, you can't. It doesn't look too short on the arms.
Yeah, if you like it. So? Keep a ditch.
Yeah, I'll try that one. I'll take you hold that one.
Put it into me. What size though?
M.
New dress.
Do you have a small in there?
No, it started medium.
It's again.
Started
Starts
medium.
medium.
Really?
No.
Yeah, I think it's too big.
It looks cool though. It's just too big. Yeah. Go on, darling. Take your trousers off.
I don't think I'd want to just take my trousers off.
This is not changing room.
That's how we're doing it.
Yeah. Go ahead. Strip it off for me.
I'm not actually doing this. Stand still. I don't even know if I've got pants on, to be honest with you.
Ooh, see, wow. They do. They look good.
Arda'yı boş ver ya. O kırılsan olur.
Sibanda.
Yeah, I do fit okay. Is there my
You probably
jacket?
need the belt anyways.
Yeah, but my jacket's green.
Eh?
That jacket's green, so I wouldn't want like a fucking all green.
Yeah, true.
If they were like this blue or something, that'd be okay.
They look really cool.
Yeah, I like them. Just know what colour.
You guys have a YouTube channel too?
Yeah,
Yeah, we do.
not as
But
nowhere nowhere near that guy.
We
We're
don't have
just
followers.
travelling ourselves, just trying to enjoy ourselves.
Yeah.
YouTube? You have?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I take name?
Yeah, of course. It's Adelina, ADE. Yeah, I'll do it.
So then maybe the blue trousers. Do you have the blue ones in a small?
No. Like this?
Yeah.
I don't have. 5XL, 6XL. if you
Really?
wanna, yeah.
Wow.
What else do you have in a small?
See?
The black.
The black ones.
Yes.
I think black would work better than cream because you all your trousers are
Yeah,
green.
no. Yeah, we'll take those.
Mm.
And this.
Yep.
And then, do you have any other Columbia stuff? Whilst I'm here.
Like,
Jacket there.
like this one?
Ah, that's what he bought, wasn't it? That.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the jacket he bought.
Or like this one? I have black and this.
I've got that one. I'm wearing that one.
Yeah. Cool, motherfucker.
Do you like this top?
Yeah, I do. It's crazy how all the Columbia stuff actually fits you nice.
Thank you. How much is this? How much is
Anything
this one?
else? No.
Okay, so we're all doing the same.
Yeah, same. Let me see. Okay. Furry.
Do you know Cyprus?
In basketball?
No, football.
Which team?
Cyprus.
Pathos.
No.
No?
Imagine. That would have been funny.
Where from? Manchester?
So we're from England, Birmingham. And Adelina's from Romania.
Yeah. She's in Romania?
No, in England. Everything in there.
Okay, this from me. For pants like this, for jackets like this, and 500 for the other thing.
Yeah.
I don't need that.
You sure?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. What's your name? Burak.
You share it with her. Thank you.
Merhaba.
Merhaba.
How'd you say thank you?
Where did you learn that?
Teşekkürler.
Teşekkürler.
Yeah.
Teşekkürler.
How do you know this?
I'm Romanian.
You're
darling.
Romanian.
I have to.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good one. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Like in a week, we'll take it. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thanks. Bye bye. If you're getting married next year, you know where to come.
Yeah, look at all these. These are amazing.
How are these called?
I don't know.
How are they called in English?
I don't know what they're called in English. I don't know.
In Romania, they're called mărturii.
In English, they're called table decoration.
No, because these you give to people.
Okay. Oh, they're nice.
Yeah. So, yeah, everything you need for your wedding is here. And whatever you don't need. Like that thing over there.
Got everything.
Yeah.
That little cats.
Take one.
Oh, wedding slippers.
What was it?
Laugh at your little footsteps.
Corn?
Corn, yeah, that's corn.
Right, we're getting the tram back.
Yeah.
And
We bought too much.
you bought too much.
Yeah, I found a shop that I wanted to go to.
Yeah. Happy you.
And for £45, I bought every piece of winter clothing I could think of.
Well, they're not really winter.
What?
Just a fur jacket. The rest aren't really.
Trousers are winter.
Are they? Yeah.
I
Okay.
think we need to go down here.
Under. Yeah, let's go. But is it crossing there? Where does it say that?
Right there.
Oh. Okay, yeah, you're right.
No, but that looks like a... Yeah.
Yeah.
Where did it say that?
There's so many streets in Istanbul, honestly. That's a good strategy.
Yeah.
Just open the door.
Let's open the door. What's going on in there?
Oh, yes, please. Do you coffee?
It's too late for coffee, man. Let's go. It's lunch.
So bright.
I mean, yeah. It's mad chaos. And it's What time is it? Is it 11? 20 past 11. And everyone is still going strong. I mean, the shops are still open, as you can see. I mean, yeah. Everything's still going. All the businesses are open. You can still get a kebab and an ice cream.
Or a Samsonite suitcase.
Or a suitcase. Or sporting.
Sports gear,
Yeah.
just because you need it for tomorrow.
So yeah. Just mad. The New York of Europe.
Yeah, literally city from sleep.
Yeah.
I do, I've slept so much.
Oh yeah, you did have enough. This is Istanbul, people.
Oh my god.
I'm lost in Istanbul.
We're not, we're on the main high street.
There's so many streets that honestly you can get lost
You can be.
if you're not good with maps like me.
You'd never have found the hotel again.
Yeah, I mean without data as well. I would have
Signal, you
known.
just fucking walk around blind.
Yeah.
What's the taxi?
And you can always get run over. Always look left
always
and
get
right.
over if you want.
No, just on here.
What's going on?
Just going down there.